Welcome to Activity 67. In this activity, we'll be developing fluency recalling single-digit two-part bonds for the wholes of 11 to 18. These will be in addition and subtraction equations, where the whole is missing. Remembering that in addition, the whole is located here, whereas in subtraction, it's located here. To complete this activity, each player will need a transparent counter. They need to be transparent because more than one player can land on the same space. So you need to be able to see what's underneath. The aim is to be the first player to work your way around and finish at the finish line. Let's begin. The blue player can go first. They spin 11. They need to move to the next space where the missing number is worth 11. The green player has their turn. They move to the next space that is worth 15. They check each square as they go along, and the next space that is worth 15 is here. Unfortunately, the red spaces mean move back to it's a sharp corner. Play continues. If you spin on a line, you get to choose which number you're going to move to so that you can make the most strategic choice. Let's fast forward towards the end of the game. If it was the blue player's turn, they need to move to the next space that's worth 12, and then they get to move forward 3, 1, 2, 3. The green player spins 17. The next 17 is here. I know the two parts, so I add them together. 8 add 9 is 17. It's now the blue player's turn. If they spin 11 or 18, they have to move there. Any other spin and they will win. And they did. They spun 17. And the next 17 means that they are the winner. Now it's your turn.